It's springtime and it's time to get our decks and patios ready for the season. A lot of times we'll just clean the tops of our deck and call it good. But we want to remember that underneath our deck, there are some cross beams that run underneath here. And it's important that we clean out between the cracks of these boards because we get a lot of debris that will sit on that cross beam and that can cause rot over time. So what we'll do is we just took like a little spatula, we grabbed these out of the kitchen. The nice thing about these is they're not real metal and they're not going to scratch or damage our decking. So all we have to do is kind of run this between here, and we'll run into this cross beam that's right here and just kind of scrape off all the debris that's under there. Continue on. And that's our tip of the week, how to extend our deck and patio so that it doesn't rot away.